Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some corporate strategy trivia. What is a plan for a company's future actions? Is it A, marketing tactics, B, business plan, C, annual report, or D, business strategy? The correct answer is D, business strategy. Which analysis assesses a company's environment? Is it A, financial report, B, market share, C, pest analysis, or D, SWOT analysis? The correct answer is D, SWOT analysis. What strategy focuses on cost reduction? Is it A, market segmentation, B, differentiation strategy, C, product diversification, or D, cost leadership? The correct answer is D, cost leadership. Which term refers to acquiring companies? Is it A, asset diversification, B, stock market crash, C, mergers and acquisitions, or D, corporate rebranding? The correct answer is C, mergers and acquisitions. What describes a company's unique selling point? Is it A, market saturation, B, value proposition, C, competitive analysis, or D, customer demographics? The correct answer is B, value proposition. Which model outlines 5 competitive forces? Is it A, pest analysis, B, Porter's 5 forces, C, Four Corners model, or D, SWOT analysis? The correct answer is B, Porter's 5 forces. What is a company's guiding framework for decisions? Is it A, mission statement, B, business strategy, C, financial plan, or D, corporate governance? The correct answer is D, corporate governance. What involves aligning business activities for effectiveness? Is it A, project management, B, tactical planning, C, strategic alignment, or D, operational efficiency? The correct answer is C, strategic alignment. Which term refers to differentiation from competitors? Is it A, market saturation, B, brand loyalty, C, competitive advantage, or D, product expansion? The correct answer is C, competitive advantage. What strategy focuses on a specific market segment? Is it A, broad marketing, B, niche marketing, C, mass marketing, or D, general advertising? The correct answer is B, niche marketing. What is an approach that incorporates sustainability? Is it A, greenwashing, B, profit maximization, C, corporate social responsibility, or D, shareholder primacy? The correct answer is C, corporate social responsibility. What term refers to identifying future opportunities? Is it A, trend analysis, B, risk assessment, C, forecasting, or D, scenario planning? The correct answer is D, scenario planning. Which strategy diversifies a company's product lines? Is it A, vertical integration, B, market consolidation, C, brand loyalty, or D, product diversification? The correct answer is D, product diversification. Which analysis tool identifies strengths and weaknesses? Is it A, SWOT analysis, B, internal analysis, C, market research, or D, external analysis? The correct answer is B, internal analysis. What involves outsourcing non-core activities? Is it A, operational efficiency, B, strategic outsourcing, C, cost-cutting measures, or D, in-house development? The correct answer is B, strategic outsourcing. What evaluates the attractiveness of an industry? Is it A, customer feedback, B, industry analysis, C, market survey, or D, SWOT analysis? The correct answer is B, industry analysis. What type of strategy is used during economic turbulence? Is it A, defensive strategy, B, expansion plan, C, aggressive strategy, or D, investment boom? The correct answer is A, defensive strategy. What focuses on innovation to gain market share? Is it A, traditional marketing, B, cost-cutting measures, C, market saturation, or D, innovative strategy? The correct answer is D, innovative strategy. What refers to analyzing competitors in the market? Is it A, competitor analysis, B, brand positioning, C, SWOT analysis, or D, market segmentation? The correct answer is A, competitor analysis. Which strategy aims at rapid growth through expansion? Is it A, market stabilization strategy, B, conservative growth strategy, C, gradual expansion approach, or D, aggressive growth strategy? The correct answer is D, aggressive growth strategy. What describes a comprehensive plan to attain objectives? Is it A, strategic plan, B, tactical maneuver, C, operational guideline, or D, scheduled timeline? The correct answer is A, strategic plan. Which method prioritizes projects based on return? Is it A, project estimation, B, risk assessment, C, capital budgeting, or D, cost analysis? The correct answer is C, capital budgeting. What is a key performance indicator used for evaluation? Is it A, RPI, B, OKR, C, KPI, or D, SLA? The correct answer is C, KPI. What is a method for making long-term decisions? Is it A, impulsive choices, B, tactical analysis, C, strategic decision-making, or D, random guessing? The correct answer is C, strategic decision-making. Which planning approach involves multiple stakeholders? Is it A, top-down planning, B, individual planning, C, collaborative planning, or D, budget-only approach? The correct answer is C, collaborative planning. What outlines financial objectives for a business? Is it A, investment portfolio, B, financial strategy, C, budget plan, or D, marketing strategy? The correct answer is B, financial strategy. What type of analysis compares costs and outcomes? Is it A, financial forecasting, B, risk assessment, C, cost-benefit analysis, or D, market segmentation? The correct answer is C, cost-benefit analysis. Which strategy focuses on offering unique services? Is it A, differentiation strategy, B, cost leadership strategy, C, market penetration strategy, or D, pricing strategy? The correct answer is A, differentiation strategy. What describes forming strategic partnerships? Is it A, alliances, B, conflicts, C, rivalries, or D, isolation? The correct answer is A, alliances. What is an initiative aimed at enhancing organizational effectiveness? Is it A, strategic planning, B, business transformation, C, employee licensing, or D, market expansion? The correct answer is B, business transformation. Which approach uses data to influence business decisions? Is it A, random decision-making, B, data-driven strategy, C, guesswork analysis, or D, intuition-based planning? The correct answer is B, data-driven strategy. What is a guiding principle for ethical business practices? Is it A, profit maximization, B, business ethics, C, corporate greed, or D, embezzlement schemes? correct answer is B, business ethics. Which process involves assessing workforce capabilities? Is it A, job satisfaction surveys, B, human resources planning, C, payroll processing, or D, recruitment strategies? The correct answer is B, human resources planning. What refers to achieving operational excellence? Is it A, business ethics, B, operational strategy, C, strategic planning, or D, market analysis? The correct answer is B, operational strategy. Which leadership style encourages team input on strategy? Is it A, charismatic leadership, B, laissez-faire leadership, C, participative leadership, or D, autocratic leadership? The correct answer is C, participative leadership. What refers to the adaptability of a company to market changes? Is it A, stability, B, agility, C, tradition, or D, rigidity? The correct answer is B, agility. Which process sequentially assesses business performance? Is it A, performance management, B, operational audit, C, strategic planning, or D, quality control? The correct answer is A, performance management. What involves restructuring to improve efficiency? Is it A, business reengineering, B, employee satisfaction, C, cost-cutting, or D, time management? The correct answer is A, business reengineering. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.